Welcome to the Cooking General. People asked me to do some pizza, and I was thinking about it, and I'm like, everybody eat Italian pizza, and then if you go to Taco Bell, you got your Mexican pizza, but what about a soul food pizza? I had a recipe in my family for generations for a soul food pizza, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Cooking General, I know how to make anything. Check it out. This is what we're gonna use. We're gonna use some flour tortillas. You get the big ones, because they're gonna be like almost the size of a medium pizza. Now, so if you're going soul food, this is Earl Campbell's Hot Links. Then you're gonna use your regular pizza sauce. Ragu makes a good one. You're gonna need some hot sauce. We're gonna use some real homemade bacon bits, summer sausage, and jalapeno peppers. And we're gonna need some spray to spray the pan down. But anyway, with your favorite cheese, you can use mozzarella, Italian, or mild cheddar, or even more than that. But it's all good, because it's going to be the first ever made on YouTube soul food pizza. You better ask somebody. Right, take your journal back. We're going to make a soul food pizza. The first ever on YouTube. Okay, check this out. Now, you just get you some pizza sauce. There you go. You put it on your tortilla shell, you spread it like that there. Flour tortilla, you just spread it on there, get it all the way to them ends like. You spread it on there like that. Real simple, easy to do. Alright, now we're gonna take some mozzarella cheese. You're gonna sprinkle some of that mozzarella cheese on there. Like that there. And you put much cheese you want on there. On any one of your pieces, you can make them different ways you want to, it don't matter. You can add a different kind of cheese, but this is the way we're gonna do the soul food pizza. Alright, now, we got our Earl Campbell Hot Links. We already got it diced up. So you just sprinkle some of them on there like that. Put them on there. There you go. Don't let them fall off. They fall to the side. Put them back on there. Now, me, I like stuff spicy. So I'm going to put a few jalapenos on this one. I ain't going to put them on the other one. I'm just going to put them on this one here. Put some jalapenos on there. Now what you want to do, you want to take you some more of this here Italian cheese. I'm going to put a little Italian cheese on this one. We're just going to mix these boogers up. All right? Then we're going to put a little cheddar cheese on this one. Mix them up. Mix and match. This soul food here. Come from the soul. Come from the heart. Let's do this stuff right. Now, we don't need no goddamn pepperoni. We eating soul food pizza. Put your summer sauce on it. Look at that. Look at that. That's real meat there. You eating real meat. Not no little thin pepperoni. We're going to put some summer sauce on this here. Let's give me a couple more slices of this. All right. Now, we're going to preheat our oven to about 375 to 400. And we finna put these in there. And I'm going to come back and show you the first ever soul food pizza. Alrighty, y'all. Now, we got our oven preheated. We got the pieces right there. Look at that. And see, I'm going to put a little hot sauce on mine. See? Because soul food, you eat summer sauce, back in the day, summer sauce and cracker, you put a little hot sauce on it. That's where the hot sauce come in at. And then it's going to caramelize on it. And we're going to shut this oven up and let them bake. Come in there. Put that on. Man, if I don't have the ideas, you better. I tell you what, wait till you think, I ain't finna know. I'm going to stay calm. Wait till the next part. Now, look at that. A soul food pizza. Look at that. See that? Look at that hot sauce had crust lines on that there. Look at them jalapenos in there. That cheese, look at that there. Look at that Earl Campbell sausage in there. Look at this one here. Look at all that Earl Campbell sausage. That's a flat, thin crust piece. You like that there? Man, this is a pizza. Man, look at that. Look, let me show you. Look at that. Come on like that there. Look at that. Cheese stretching. Man, This what people get. That's why people get mugged. If I had a pizza like this in days, and I came up with this pizza, they gotta say, give me the pizza. I'm not giving you my pizza. You know what he did?